Hello dear and lovely friends, welcome back to this channel. In today's video I will be styling this cute 1-year-old flower girl. I will not only be mentioning some of the tutorial I will be uploading in days to come, but I will be using them to style this beautiful baby. These flower girls or bridesmaids are usually called Omoregie in Benin City, Edo State, and they usually accomplish the bride to her husband's house and stay for some time, but it is no longer a requirement in Edo State now. I've mentioned earlier that some of the accessory I'm using here will be published soon. That means that I have finished the tutorial. It's just for me to publish them. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, come on, please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss your favorite tutorial, and it will also motivate me to keep on doing what I do. Just to mention some of the tutorial I will be uploading: the crown she's wearing, the necklace, the shawl, the blouse, and so on. So thank you for watching and enjoy the video until we see in the next tutorial. Bye.